Hey guys, it's Laura and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am a part-time reseller on both eBay and Poshmark and a little bit on Mercari. Today I have a video of what sold for today. It's Monday, so Mondays are usually my slower days, and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday pick up. I have definitely been hit by the slow sales due to the coronavirus, so this is a pretty slow day for me, but I thought it would be a good idea to kind of show you guys what I'm still selling. I know a lot of people on like the messenger boards on like Facebook have been saying they're thinking about closing down their stores. My personal opinion, I wouldn't do that. People are still buying. There's a lot of stores that are closed that maybe don't have an online presence, so people still need clothes, so they're still purchasing. Okay, so to start, just like briefer on where I get my inventory. I would say I'm pretty much at like 99% of my inventory now comes from the Goodwill bins. My bins are very cheap. They're new. They've probably only been around for like a year and a half now. So everything is 99 cents a pound. And I do get sometimes electronics, and those are 69 cents a pound. But primarily I source clothing, shoes, purses, things like that at the bins. So 99 cents a pound. That means basically everything I get, if I sell it, it's profit. So like I said, this is part-time for me. This is just like a little extra spending money for me. So I'm by no means breaking the bank, but I'm also not putting in the same hours that a full-time seller is. So to start, I sold these. I've literally had these forever. I got these at Plato's Closet. Like every once in a while, I feel it's like quarterly now. Plato's Closet does a 90% off sale, and so that's where I got these guys from. They sold on Poshmark for $10. I paid 80 cents for these, so I'm all about making a quick buck. So that is how much I got for that. So I still have these in my bags because I just pulled them from inventory. I know a couple of you guys have been asking me to show you how I do my inventory, so here you go. When I list it, I always put item number on the bottom, and then I'll put like the bag number, and then I have totes listed like 1 through 20, 21 through 40, or whatever. So it makes it really easy to pull when things are sold. It also makes it easy for cross-listing, because then I know that I have to go to one platform to see like what the item number is, and then I know that I need to delete it from the others. So everyone has their own system. That's what works for me though. Okay, so this, again, got at the bins, just a Nike basic racerback tank, new with tags. I got this for $11. Super lightweight. I probably paid like 20 cents for it, so $11 is a good profit for me. I'm also taking lower than normal offers right now because I want my store to stay active. I'm running out of inventory to be listing, and I know that with like the eBay algorithm, you need to be listing every day. So I'm kind of like spacing that out. So I'm trying to list like at least one thing a day to, space out my inventory. I don't know how long we're going to be at home for. As far as I know, in Wisconsin, it's going to be until April, or I mean, end of April, I should say. So I have like 30 days at home where I can't source. All the Goodwills, thrift stores, everything around here is closed. So I'm making the most of it. Definitely taking a little bit lower of an offer than I normally would, especially like on a brand new with tags Nike top. But like I said, I need to keep things moving in my store. That tells eBay that my store is active. So when things do turn around, which they will, my like listings will be up in the algorithm, which is what I'm hoping for, obviously. So here's another lowball offer I took, but again, it's super lightweight. I got it at the bins, so maybe 20 cents on it. It's just a off the shoulder. I love palm trim. That's probably why I bought it, to be honest. Knox Rose is the brand. So like, it's nothing special. They sell it at Kohl's, Target, all those like department stores. So I took $8 offer on this. Again, still making money. So right now, if I'm making money, I'm pretty much taking it. This was a really good sale. This was a full price sale. This I got at the bins. It is Chaser. So I'm really selective with Chaser. It's like a tunic dress. I've noticed lately that there's a lot of Chaser at like Sam's Club and Costco, so that's why I'm a little bit more selective on it. Usually just going for like the statement pieces, not really like the t-shirts or anything like that anymore. All right, next one. Again, another bins piece, exclusively Missouk. You can see it, not really. Has elbow pads, so that's your thing. I don't know, it's not mine, but it's a cute, very nice career piece cardigan. A woman asked me a question on it. I can't remember what the question was. I think it was like on the fabric content. And so I replied back, and then I sent an offer with it. Like I said, I'm just trying to get as many sales as I can right now, so whatever I gotta do. She was really nice though. She like thanked me for such a generous offer. Like I said, I accepted $10 on this. But I'm trying to build my business up for next time because I get a lot of followers on my eBay store from doing things like that. So hopefully when this turns around, she'll be a repeat customer for me. And then lastly, are just silver shorts. Nothing special. Again, got it at the bins. These are a little bit heavier, so I probably paid like 40 cents for them. Let me look. I got $14 for them. So not a big crazy day for me, but you guys, bread and butter stuff like this just adds up. I usually make about, honestly, it depends on the month, January through, I'd say, like March, although this year's gonna be a little different, obviously, is usually my slower months, and then towards the end it picks up. But I do about $1,500 profit on average, just selling like $10, $15 items, because my cost of goods is so low, getting everything at the bins. So that is all I got today. Hopefully tomorrow sales will be a little bit better. Hopefully you guys are having good sales. If you are, comment below. I'd love to know what you guys are selling too. And if you'd like to see more videos like this on what I've sold, please hit the not only subscribe button, but also the like button so that I know that you guys, this is something that you guys want to see more. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.